Hey guys, now I hope you enjoyed those videos about AI that I did in the past few weeks. Now they were part of my Udemy course about AI, where I go far more in depth about this topic. Now in this course, I primarily focus on behavior trees, and the good news is I struck a deal with Behavior Designer, which is the de facto industry standard for creating AI with Unity, and that normally costs $70 or something about that. However, with this course comes a free educational license for behavior designers. So that might be an interesting point to consider. Also, we're going to create a very cool like foundation for a colony survival game like RimWorld or Oxygen Not Included or something like that. And I think it's one of the coolest projects that I've done for educational purposes anyways. So if you're interested in this course, you can grab it now at Udemy at a special discount. You can find the discount in the description below. It's about $12 to $13. So I think it's a huge value for the stuff you get. So if you enjoyed these few videos and want to grab more of them for a little bit more advanced topics, I highly suggest just look it over. If it's for you, spend those $10, it's not that much money, and give me a reason to create more videos for that, because I gotta live too, right? And yeah, anyways, next week I'm going to upload a video which is a little bit smaller about timers, and the week after that we're going to talk about references in Unity. And those two videos are going to be more on the lower bandwidth of an intermediate Unity developer, so I'm going to try to cover that stuff too. And with that, I'll see you next week. Bye.